This is a 1964 Chevy Impala SS, but when we showed up to rescue it, we quickly realized this was not going to be an easy recovery.
Look at these roots. I've never seen this before. This was holding the car back.
Almost like Mother Nature didn't want to let this car go. But when the owner saw his car completely transformed for free, you'll understand exactly why it made him cry.
I have heard from your son that this one in particular is pretty special. It's a low production car?
Yeah, they made 8,684 409s total. It's been sitting here 17 and a half years.
How many liters is this engine?
I forget. 350 is a 5.7, so this is probably 6 something, 7 something.
You guys let us know in the comments. All right, under the hood of this 64 Impala is the 409 big block. And like I said, I did not know much about these engines, but with some research, I found that this is definitely the 340 horsepower version of this car. These are our claimants, and we use them in conjunction with our iron kryptonite to remove all of the stuck embedded dirt and grime that is left in your paint after a wash process. Moving on to the interior of this 64 Impala, and I gotta say the first thing that sticks out is obviously this massive steering wheel. It is very much in my face and it is very big.
Turn around.
Oh my. Oh my. I haven't heard that noise in 18 years. Dude.
We did it.
Absolutely amazing. Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yep. Looks amazing. Sounds amazing. Make it bark.